Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. I'm coming back to you with another tutorial where in the first part of the first tutorial, you will find this on my videos. I was exporting the tweets from Twitter automatically, creating a Microsoft Flow, and all the tweets based on a subject, they will be exported automatically in Excel file. From there, what I want to do this time, I'll upload this Excel file, which is in OneDrive, in Power BI by clicking refresh, and I will create a dashboard where we will analyze the data. So basically this will be an end-to-end process, and you have only to open your Power BI file and just click refresh and you will get the data straight away. Next day, let's say in the meantime, people, they will post about the subject and you will get those information in real, let's say, time on your Power BI dashboard. Let's start doing that. So what I did here, I was creating a flow where this is what I did in the previous video. So when a tweet appears on the subject, on this subject from here, will add a row in a table. The row will be, I meshed those columns. This is the table 1, what I have it in here. Okay, so basically this is getting updated. So we see at this point we have 618 rows, but if I'll run now my flow here, you will see probably the number will increase because this is updating to each hour, but in 1 hour time other people, they will post, so we will see more stuff here appearing. Here we go, we have the stuff, so the Excel is updating. So this Excel file, we will upload this Excel file in Power BI. So get data, and after that Excel, and you'll find the location of the file in OneDrive. Okay, I did that already, so I'm not doing that. And I just did a small dashboard just to count whatever we have there, the tweets and stuff like that. So in the first slide here we have the count of the tweets. After that we have here the distinct count of the users who did the postings about this subject, and the total number of followers, 8 million. Now here we have the number of the top users with the number of the followers. Here we go, and here we have the number of the, I think this is let me see, the count of the tweeters by username. Yeah, the tweets by username, and here we have the location of the users. So all those charts, if you click, let's say today, tomorrow, next day, refresh, you'll see those figures will get updated. Let's see if that's happening. Here we go. We have more tweets and the number will increase, obviously, when the files in here in Excel will increase as well. So we have now 6 to 8. Let's do another run here on the Microsoft Flow to see if we get a few more. Here we go, we have a few more there in the file. Let's refresh here Power BI again, and here we go, we increase the number again. We have 637 and 549 count of users, and those figures. So you can see the location of the users. So for example, if you click here, let's say one of the users, you see this guy here, it's based on New Delhi. And if you go again there, let's say we have this guy, for example, posted 5 times on this subject, and he has 120 followers on Twitter, and he's from São Paulo, close to São Paulo, Brazil. So in this way, guys, you can analyze the tweets from Twitter. I hope this helped. Let me know if this helped. Please post your comments below and subscribe. Thank you.